The Regions of Interest feature on Planck Vision Systems thermal cameras allows you to monitor multiple temperature regions simultaneously. To get started, first log into your camera's web interface, then go to the System Settings tab and navigate to Thermal. Click on the Region Temperature Measurement section to expand it, and here you can see there's up to 12 different regions. Depending on the application, you will want to select the appropriate region type. I'm using the polygon tool. This is simple to use. Simply click to create a vertex of the polygon. Once you've placed all the vertices, go back to the original one and click on it to complete the shape. Next, you can name the region. You can use any name you would like, however, this system does not allow spaces or special characters. Once you've saved one region, you can then go to the region selector and create another. For region 2, I'm using the rectangle region type. This one is easy to use. Simply drag the rectangle to the dimensions and size you need, then give the region a name and click on Save to save it. For this third component, I'm using the polygon region type again. While it does require you to draw your own shape, it allows for more precise control over the area being monitored. There are also dot and line region options. These are good if you have a small area to monitor or the temperature is quite consistent on the object you're monitoring, so you only need to track a single point. Once you have finished creating all the regions of interest you need, you can go back to the live view and monitor the regions. By default, the on-screen display shows the highest temperature inside each region. However, you can go to the system settings and then OSD to change this. The 4 options available are the highest, lowest, average, and center temperature for each region. Simply select the options you would like to have displayed and then click Save. Keep in mind that the center temperature display is not available for the polygon region type. It only works for the rectangle and line regions. The high and low temperatures for each region are also marked on the screen with upward and downward pointing triangles, so it's easy to see where the hot spots are. Here you can also configure the transparency and color of the text box. By default, it's set to 50% transparency. However, this can block content, so you can set it to none or full. Depending on which color palette you've selected for the infrared view, different colors will be more visible than others. Here I'm using green. Once you have selected the settings you want, you can then go back to the live view and monitor things as usual. Each temperature region of interest is considered independent, so you can go to the system settings and set a different alarm for each region. For this demonstration, I have configured the alarm so it will activate if the maximum temperature in region 1 exceeds 130 degrees Fahrenheit for more than 1 second. This will also display an alarm icon on the screen. Now we can see the alarm in action. As soon as the temperature hits 130 degrees, the alarm icon is displayed on the screen and region 1 is outlined in bright red. Regions of interest not only help you monitor the temperature of your assets more precisely, but this technology also prevents false alarms. Here I have a lighter, which is well over the set alarm threshold. However, it's not triggering any alarm because it's outside of the region. Using regions of interest on your Planck Vision Systems thermal camera is a great way to make remote asset monitoring more effective. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us with the link in the video description.